In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate two Pinterest desktop accounts. We'll walk through how to set up and connect a second Pinterest account on your desktop so you can easily move between both and keep your work organized. Start by opening your browser and heading to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're signed into the account you already use, since we'll be adding another one alongside it. Look to the top right of the screen and click the small drop-down next to your profile icon. This menu is where Pinterest lets you manage multiple accounts from one place. From the options that appear, choose Add Pinterest Account. This takes you to the Add Account page where you can decide whether to link an account you already have or create a new one. You'll see three choices: use an existing account, create a new personal account, or create a free business account. If you already have a second Pinterest login, pick existing account and sign in with those details. If you're starting fresh, choose new personal account. And if your second presence is for brand or client work, create a free business account is available. For this tutorial, select new personal account and click create to continue. You'll be asked for a few basics. Enter the email you want tied to this second account. Create a strong, unique password that you don't use elsewhere. Then choose your birth date. These details help Pinterest set up your profile properly and keep it secure. When you're done, click Continue to create the account. If you prefer, you can sign up using Google instead of entering an email and password manually. Just select the Google option and follow the prompts to connect your Google identity to the new Pinterest account. Either path completes the setup. Once you've created or linked that second account, you can seamlessly switch between both from the same drop-down next to your profile icon. That's the key to collaborating between two Pinterest accounts on desktop. No logging out and back in. Use this to keep personal inspiration separate from business boards or to manage client work alongside your own ideas with fewer mistakes and less time wasted. A few tips to keep things smooth. Keep each account's email distinct. Avoid sharing passwords, and consider enabling extra security in your settings if you're managing sensitive brand assets. And if you ever need to add another existing account, return to the same drop-down and repeat the process. That's it. Your two Pinterest desktop accounts are now connected and ready to use side by side.